Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to equip body armor for your character on the Far Cry 5 game. So let's get started right away. Now, whenever you are playing the Far Cry 5 game, if you wish to equip a body armor for your character, then you will either find these armors within various different locations, and you can also buy this in the shop. Whenever you approach any shop, you can simply press on the R button to enter within the shop. From here you can click on items, and you will now see various different consumables that you can buy. Alongside the first aid kit, you will also find your body armor. Go ahead and click on this, and now you can simply click on the buy button or tap on the right mouse button in order to purchase this armor. After you purchase your armor, it will automatically be added to your character. And now anytime your character takes a damage, it will first decrease your armor, and only after that it will decrease your health. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to use body armor on the Far Cry 5 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.